Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, west-central Dawson County in north-central Georgia, northern Pickens County in north-central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carter's, or 10 miles west of Ellijay, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Ellijay, East Ellijay, Talking Rock, Sequoia Lake, Talina, Carter Cay, Blaine, Lake Tamarack, Roy, and Round Top. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather